we have a new cell. Actually, it's a hail cell, so it might be good. I take this schist and I'm gonna deploy it really quick, quicker. But I don't think like there will be tornado. Last time it was Supercell that didn't have tornado, but there was a tornado. Small, it was like in Jikian city named Kladno, and this is the deployed Thunder Killer. You can check my channel, I built it on my own. And this is the cell. Yeah, it makes lots of noises. This is radar you see right now. This there is a little bit of hail. I think we should. If I go like this is like in 4 p.m. and you see this cloud with white is coming straight at us. Think it's that cloud you see right now. I'm gonna make it short where we are gonna intercept this hail, and I don't think it will have. It's a little bit scary because there's flying like leaves, and I don't think there will be tornado, but it's a little bit of possibilities. But yeah, heavy rain. You can see like the fog. That is the rain, heavy rain. That suspiciously looked like a tornado, but I don't think that's tornado. And yeah, this is and you can see there's pretty shot like with the sunlight. Yeah, it's so pretty. And down there's and yeah, this is the thunder killer. I actually had to remove one spike from CMB4 and I placed it here because I wanted to make a waterproof test, because that tape, I think it's waterproof, but there's a heavy wind right now. You can see the tree flying leaves, and that is so scaring me because when it's tornado nearby, there's like flying debris like leaves and other stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna check the storm because I'm so scared, because it might make a tornado touchdown, and no, already there's some like these things. I don't know how these are called. Who cares? Think the wing can get underneath. Think I deployed it good. Maybe. No, I think it's good deployed. Yeah. I might do an interceptor with RC car. I think that. There is my bike. I'm gonna show you guys my bike. I don't know why, but yeah, this is my bike. It's from Beast Twin, B-Twin, I don't know. It has this thing. It has like these pistons. It has like this thing for mobile. This like thingy. And yeah, stopper, or how it's called. Yeah, it have like these two things, and as one highlight that I love, on this vehicle, because actually if you press this, yeah, the same for the back. Have this light here over, and yeah, this is the cell. Hail, there is hail actually, so if this thing can survive the rain, I think it can survive even the hail. Wait, did I say just if it survives the hail, that it can survive the hail? Wait, I don't know. Mother F. But yeah, this is it. I think you should subscribe before I die. Or maybe this isn't tornado. I see so much fog right over over there, and that's the heavy rain. I don't freaking know if there's a tornado, because if it's raining heavy, if it's heavy raining, there is like completely hidden area, so there could be tornado or like these clouds. I'm scared. From the last supercell that was over there, and it's again there. This is a cell. I don't think we can, like, it can be right here tornado, but yeah, I'm so scared. I'm goddamn scared, cause yeah, I'm not gonna longer this video. If this is the last video, bye. I was Lipton Man. Yeah, this is our car. I know flags, guys. But yeah, I think this is all. Yeah, this is all, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you don't have a tornado nearby, and I will see you on the next one if I'm alive. So yeah.